However, that strong connection, I knew there was past life and soul level connections and teachings involved. And a lot of people think that Quantum EFT is all about past lives, but it's not. That's a component of it that is sometimes relevant in Quantum EFT. Quantum EFT is more about working in time and space in order to heal or resolve something. But the most important part of it is, what's the soul learning and lesson? What's my soul agreement? What's my soul contract? Why did this occur in that lifetime, if it was in another lifetime, as well as in this lifetime, that has soul learning and lesson for me? And when people have, like we talk in EFT about disproportionate responses. When you have a disproportionate response emotionally and physically in this lifetime about an event, but your conscious brain goes, but that shouldn't be so big. Like I had a client this morning, and she'd had a relationship with a guy for a few months, and a year later it's still plaguing her, and her conscious mind says it wasn't that big, but her emotional and physical reaction was that it was like somebody had died. It was overpowering grief. And so when we investigated that and went back through it, it was like, where does this come from originally? And the wording that we use with Quantum EFT is that we bring in our guides and higher self. We don't just reflect on the body's consciousness and the emotions and the subconscious, which clinical EFT does, but we ask, what is it at a soul level that's going on here? Why has this emotional reaction come into my life in this lifetime, and has it occurred in other lifetimes that hasn't been resolved? And so that's why it's being reflected again in this lifetime, so that it can be resolved and completed in some way. And
Is there
so
a particular understanding or way you describe what soul is when you say soul learning?